Hi guys for
Hi.
another vlog that we have for
Hi.
today.
So today we are doing the voiceover for our forest hike from last week. Yeah. We are a bit late with the edit, but we had a lot of things to do, which you will see in another video. And today is the day. Right? Ow, she's hitting me!
I'm camera shy.
Okay, she's gonna hide behind me while we watch the videos. So, we just went to the nearby forest and it was Abby's first time I don't know what the name is. Normal forest? Because she's just used to the tropical. I don't know the name for it. I know tropical, there's rainforest. It's boreal. I don't know, climate forest? I don't know. But
no,
it's a
I
lot
went to a forest before. It was in an Easter with my friends.
Okay.
Karen, yeah. We went to Don Salvador Benedicto.
Okay.
To visit that falls that I sent you.
Yeah.
Yeah, we hiked there for like an hour. It's
Okay.
still forest.
Okay. So yeah, we planned, it's like a 20-minute walk up to the forest, usually. Like half an hour around the forest, 20 minutes down.
That's a lie.
Long story short, we've been there 4 hours.
That's a lie.
Yes, no, we've been there 4 hours. So let's jump into it. So Abby found
Dandelion.
dandelion.
Yeah.
I always want to say dandelion. Dandelion. And
Dandelion.
let's see how that went.
It's not as
Oh, it's
easy
not
as it was in the movie.
Yeah, it's not fully ripe yet.
Oh!
Ah, it worked.
Oh, she's embarrassed about that one.
Okay,
And
I
that's
give up.
patience. But yeah, we went up there, we saw some really cool buildings. We made lots of pictures. Like
You call that a building? That's a house.
Isn't the house a building?
Still a house.
Okay. So yeah, we walked up there, we made tons of pictures, like 400 pictures on this forest, like alone. We've met some seniors that looked weird at us, but whatever.
So this is a panoramic view. It's really good.
It is.
Good.
Yeah, and this is just him.
Walking, getting nagged at.
Nart!
What is
No,
this
no, no,
forest
no.
called? Don't tell me you don't know.
Yeah. He's saying something about the name of the forest,
that's
but he's
witty.
not so sure about
You
it.
just say
I
your
am
town's
sure it's
name.
Steinhauser Forest. Forest of Steinhauser.
And then just add forest in it.
Steinhauser.
Yeah, Steinhauser.
Yeah, you said Steinhauser. It's different. Yeah, he lifted me up here. It's
I'm
like
so
it's a
strong.
little tower that you can overlook the
Yeah.
city.
There used to be a graph there, what it looked like before people built there, and it was all swamp. But it's not there anymore, I don't know why. But
Yeah,
then
we-
again, it's been 10 years since I've been there, sorry. Try to say this one.
But Wurzlikon.
Wurzlikon.
What?
Urzlikon. Urzlikon.
Yeah, I took this photo. It was so good.
Yeah. I took that photo, it was even better.
No. No, you did not.
Look up there, it's a bird.
It's so nice. It has a twilight vibe for us.
As a kid, we learned Santa is living in that forest.
That's
Yeah.
their lake.
It is. And it was raining. Again. Thanks,
Again.
Switzerland. It was so good when we walked up there and then you get there and it's raining.
Thank you.
Thank you. It was a really good view.
It's a good photo, thanks
It
to
is.
me.
It would have been cooler if it's not raining and more sunny, but it was still a very good
Yeah.
hike. And
I
we didn't
guess.
get that much wet. That much wet. On the way to a ranch.
Yeah. This is apples, according to Mark. I
Yes,
don't
it
know
is.
if it is, but yeah.
It's grapes. The horsey. We walked by a horse ranch, but this was the only one out of the stables. So we couldn't see the others, but we still had a lot of fun.
Yeah.
And Abby loves the birch trees.
Yeah, do it again.
Oh my god! You put this in?
Yes.
Oh my gosh.
It's so cool. It's so
Stop
nice.
fighting.
But Abby doesn't like to be on video.
Yeah, after a very good hike, of course, we deserve a very good lunch.
Yeah, and Abby was cutting it for me because I can't use my hand.
Yeah,
It was so tasty.
very.
Abby ate half of mine.
Excuse me?
I'm just kidding. But she enjoyed it. I let her try some. But we both couldn't finish. It was so big.
Yeah, no, I'm hungry. I'm hungry for those fries again.
Those
Mm.
country potatoes?
Yeah.
You can buy them. We made them before here. They're very tasty.
Yeah, they are.
Best restaurant in
And then after, of course, we went
the store.
to get essential oils because it was just a very
Since
long
we're
day.
Yeah, and Abby was
Pills and everything.
Yeah.
Oh, you still have to.
Tiring.
I
They do have beautiful
4 hours of
products.
hiking.
20,000 steps.
Lotion for it.
Yeah, this is their pharmacy
Oh, okay.
wherein you can just
I
walk
guess it's the.
and check out all the medications or the things that you would want.
Yeah,
That's
but
not
not
the
the
one
ones.
that you do
not the
usually
first
have.
Yeah, I know.
Of course.
Yeah, for usual
to you.
medications,
And I
you
guess
go to the counter and ask. This is more like
That-
beauty products,
Okay.
things like that. But for real medication, like pills and things like that, you have to go.
And show
Oh,
your
but it's-
prescription.
Yeah, even if you take one
The
without
auntie broom.
prescription, they just have. But they have a lot of things, and we bought some sunscreen.
Oh.
But
Okay.
thank you guys
Thank
for
you.
your support and thank you for watching our
Yeah,
videos.
just
and
subscribe and hit the bell down there, and leave a comment.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, don't forget. Thank you. Stay tuned.
Bye.
Bye.